We're at North County Indian Motorcycles in San Marcos, California, and today we have a 2017 Harley-Davidson Sportster Iron 883 with the Hard Candy custom paint job in red. It's got a bunch of that beautiful metal flake. A couple cool aftermarket things on this motorcycle as well. We've got the Cajon intake, some pretty cool bars, the Arleness grips. Motorcycle also has ABS on it, has the engine guards that double as highway bars, some cool derby covers, saddlebag, and I think one of the coolest things on this bike is the Vance & Hines aftermarket pipes. Miles are also nice and low. We are just over 6,000. We're at 6,142. Let's hear those pipes. Again, we're at North County Indian Motorcycles in San Marcos, California, and we do test rides 6 days a week. Come check it out.